Most people in the UK want to invest, but beginners usually lose money because they start the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you the smart and simple way to start investing in 2026. Inflation is rising, prices are going up, and money sitting in the bank is losing value every year. But the good news is, investing can help your money grow over time. The first thing beginners should understand is the Stocks and Shares ISA. It's a tax-free investment account in the UK. This means your profits can grow without paying tax on gains. Many beginners use this to start long-term investing safely. Instead of trying to pick random stocks, beginners should focus on index funds or ETFs. These funds invest in many companies at once, which lowers risk and creates better long-term stability. Popular examples include the S&P 500 or global index funds. The biggest secret in investing is consistency. You don't need thousands of pounds to begin. Even investing a small amount every month can grow significantly over time through compound growth. Most beginners fail because they chase quick profits. Others panic when markets go down. Smart investors stay patient and think long-term. Investing is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about building wealth slowly and consistently. Start small, stay patient, and focus on the future.